What are some of your strategies for dealing with rejection?
Well, I try to understand that I try to put myself in the position of the people that are rejecting me. I know that they're overwhelmed with submissions and there's a lot of things changing about the industry, and not everything is a personal attack. So, looking at it from a professional standpoint, sometimes things are not marketable. I kind of figured out after a while that nobody's really looking for Gothic horror and Rice type novels. And that's okay. I found another way to get my book out there. So I think that if you're dealing with rejection, just kind of take the criticism as it comes, but don't give up right away, because you never know really why you're being rejected. It very much it's very often not about you or your writing style.
Yeah, that's a really good point. And at this point in your career, you're on both sides of the desk. So you are the writer
Mhm.
submitting for publication, but you are also doing a lot of the acquisitions, editorial for not only your publishing house, but for other publishing houses as well. What kind of wisdom do you get once you get to sit on the other side of the desk?
I realize how overwhelming it is, and you'll read these great stories and you'll really want to give these people a chance, but then it won't work in the anthology, or it's a little bit different from what you were looking for, and there's just so many variables. It's hard to say no, but I do it has given me like a different outlook on it now. I know that it's not always about the story or the person or the author. It's more what can we make work, and I think that took a little bit of the worry on my from my perspective.
If you've enjoyed this writing tip, please be sure to subscribe to the Writing Gym podcast. If you're ready and serious about finishing that novel, head on over to datewiththemuse.com/book a call to talk with our team.